I hope. Right, so I'm Melvin. Today I want to share a new updates from Jabra. So what I'm using now is basically the Jabra PanaCast, right? So it has been around in the market since 2019. So it's a great camera. It's a great all-rounder. You can bring it anywhere and you can have a great collaboration right on the go, right? So, but what I want to show you today is basically I have a whiteboard over here. I'm not sure if you're able to see it. So okay, probably partially, right? So it's actually at this side of my room, okay, while I'm sitting there. So so yeah, I want to share this as a content because there's a new app from Jabra, which is called the Jabra Whiteboard App, and I have a whiteboard over here that I would like to share it to you guys. It's my daughter's masterpiece that I would like to share to you. So this is how it actually works. So first off, let me share my screen. So now you're able to see my screen. Okay, over here you can see there's this app called Jabra Whiteboard. So open this up. I'll need to stop my video. And once the whiteboard app is up, it will detect the PanaCast. So once it's able to detect the PanaCast, takes a little bit. Just bear with me. So there. So basically, you can set up your whiteboard view. So I have done mine. So just make sure that the four of these tips are the area of focus that you want to show. So this is my area of focus. This is where my whiteboard is. So click done, and bam. So the whiteboard is here, ready to be shared. But now I'm sharing it as a screen. I want to share this as a content. So what I do, I stop my screen sharing, and I'm going to share this as a content in Microsoft Teams. So now you'll be able to see my whiteboard. Unfortunately, there's no dual stream available at the moment. I'm not sure why. I hope there's a new updates probably. But this is the new whiteboard app from Jabra, right? So it's much more lightweight and you are able to see my daughter's masterpiece. It's great. It's art. Yes. So yeah, so this is the new whiteboard app that I would like to show. So I don't need a secondary camera just to capture the whiteboard. Just one Jabra PanaCast will do, and I can share this as a content in Microsoft Teams. So I think it's a great tool, it's a great app, right? With this new improvement, it's much more lightweight, and I can adjust some settings in the Jabra whiteboard if I want to enhance, the image of the whiteboard. But I think this is fine. This is perfect. So yeah, so that concludes my presentation. Thank you for watching.